Another day, another Beyblade. At andito na nga tayo sa ANS Cafe sa Aguirre sa loob ng BF Homes Parañaque para sa ating Beyblade Tournament. At syempre bago tayo magsimula, kumain muna tayo ng pampalakas, no? Ang beef tapa na sobrang siksik, liglig at umaapaw na laman. At ayun, nagsimula na nga ang ating Bay City Bladers Tournament Swiss 21 participants mga kaibigan. Kaya ito, tingnan nyo muna yung ibang highlights.
Rob, interview. Anong deck mo? Anong build deck mo?
Big black deck. Kaya Wave, Wizard Rat, tsaka yung kakabili ko lang sa'yo. Budol ka kasi.
Kaya Shark Edge yan. Thank you, boss, Rat. Salamat. Ang pangalan mo, boss, ulit?
Melo.
Melo. Anong boss? Build mo?
Defense is not real. Leon Quest, disc ball, Zetron 960 gear needle, Hellside 360 needle.
Ayos. Good luck, boss. Good luck. Thank you. Ang pangalan ulit, boss? Sorry. Gray. Anong build natin, boss?
Tamang ano lang. Newbie lang.
Newbie talaga?
Yes, sir.
Ano yan?
Phoenix Wing. Wizard Run. Grandmaster.
Favorite lineup?
Yes,
Good luck,
favorite
brother. Good luck. Anong lineup ng Bay mo ngayon?
Railway, Grandmaster, tsaka Shark Edge.
Uy, ano yun? Naka-low flat, boss? Naka-flat?
Naka-flat lang.
Oo, maganda yung
70
naka-low flat.
70 flat, 160 rush,
Wow.
tsaka 760 quick.
760 quick. Uy, ano yan, boss? Champion ano yan? Champion build yan, ah.
Champion build ba?
Oh, Buster Quick. Champion build yan, ah.
Ay, akala ko Ford. Ano yung sa kanya yung 460 eh.
Oh, pero yung quick bit, champion build yan. Yan. Good luck, boss. Good luck. Thank you. Boss Joseph, anong lineup build nyo ngayon, boss?
Rhino, 3.
Yan talaga anti-meta.
Iba kulay, violet, pink, saka blue.
Oh! Ano yan? Infinity Stone?
Oo. Thanos tayo ngayon.
Boss Master, boss. Interview mo na. Boss, ano lineup mo ngayon, boss?
Lineup ko, Tyranno beat,
Wow.
70, tas needle.
Pailan nila?
Ha?
770. Yung mamarating.
Paparating pa rin eh.
Ayun.
Ayan po. Tyranno beat, 470, needle.
Needle. Oh, ano? Dream build. Pang PBBL yan. Hindi pa ba? Ano next?
Ito, pinaka-staple build.
Staple.
Staple chain, 560.
Point. Uy, 560. Uy.
Tapos ito, staple build din, Unicorn Sting, 960.
Madalas mo yung ginagamit, boss? Madalas? Kaya ako nagtataka, bakit gano'n? Ganda ng sticker mo, boss, ah.
Ganda nga, oh.
Ganda sticker mo, boss, ah. Bagong gupit yan, boss.
Mas maganda pa sa ano. Damit.
Thank you, boss, Pat. Salamat.
Fingers ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good launch! Fingers ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ayaw talaga passes eh. Please, Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good! Tyranno? Uy! Uy naman!
Raiders ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good. Okay. 2-0. Raiders ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, wait lang. Review ko lang natin.
3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Ang bigat talaga. 3-1. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Uy! Oh, grabe! Ang bigat nun. Matik na yan. Leaders ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Wow! Saan ka lang sa gitna? Wait ka lang dyan. Bago ba? Mali pala! Mali pala yung utos. Alright, James, show your second break. Hundreds, launches, tayo. Leaders ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Uy, huwag dyan. Grabe naman. Masamang biro yan. Ay, yun lang. Another point for Sir Mark. 3-0. Alright, Taylor, show your third day. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good one. Leaders ready in 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good one! Umilit ka na, ulitin ka rin ha! Pokemon trainer yun. Uy! Muntik na. Go Pikachu! Nag-stabilize si Miko. Nako po! Nice! Ay! Nag-scrape! Last game kasi. Winner po, Sir Mark. 4-2. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good! Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good! May maligno po yung kasama kayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Uy!
Namatay yung Phoenix.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good! 2-0. Raiders ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good! Uy! Tatama pa ata. Uy! Oh! Nakainis ka! 4-0. Players ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Players ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Magkikirapon na rin ako.
Players ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good! Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Okay. 1-0. Second bay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Uy. 2-all. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Uy. Naglag sigaw. Sayang. 4-2. Sayang yun.
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uy! Uy! Party man. Wow. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Leaders ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Three, two, one, go shoot. Good. Three all. Kaya lang, Nen.
Pinapit ko spin nung isa sa akin. Kaya sinabi ko na, isa sa akin ko spin.
Three all, Bladers ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Dami, 5-3. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Grabe. 3-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Grabe naman yung predict na yun. Guys, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uy! Akala ko yung sumayin ka.
Hindi, akala ko din sumayin.
Leaders ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uy! Uy!
Sigawan ko na yan.
Alright, so ganito mag-lunch. Gago. Para ano? Para maka-points ako. Set. Leaders ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Grabe finisher yun. Literal na finisher.
Sabi niya, tara, umila tayo sa 6-0. Winner, Sir Mark. Nice game, boss. Organizer, 6-0. Abangan mo sa stoplight yan. So, nandito na po tayo sa ating
Ano? Nagalag.
sayang. Grabe rin yun. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good lunch! Oh! Chapel Bay. Papawisan ako sa labas. Rhino! Set tayo, set! Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Baying 300. 300.
Bibigyan pa kayo ng tig 1.5. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! First finish for Sir Terrence. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Grabe mga laro dito Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Lumatag muna bago na strong tap. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Lapag muna bago one tap. Always. Grabe side step na. Bibitik pa ba? Uy, spin steal? Delikado pa yung finish for Sir Mark. Leaders ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Uy! Ay! Uy! Leaders ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Nagsasayawan po yung dalawang baby. Uy! Parang umangat na yung... Umangat na ba? Parang umangat na yung beat ah. Tumutulog na beat. Ano yung beat? Any beat? Abe. Oh. Spin steal. Uy, grabe! Winner po, Sir Paolo. Maraming salamat. Sir Joseph po sa Sir Terrence po.
Warning.
Happy birthday! Di ba? Okay. Set tayo. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good lunch! Second bait po tayo.
Yes! Rhino!
Set! Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good lunch! Uy! 5-0, may chance pa mga kababayan. Chance pa. Third play, Shomei. Ladies ready? In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good lunch! Uy! Oh! 5-2. Never observed that. Okay, set tayo. Set. Raiders ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uy! 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 5-3.
Grabe.
Set po tayo, set. Raiders ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uy!
Atakin mo, Rhino!
Uy! Heart rate. Uy! Hindi match point na po, pero may pag-asa pa. Raiders ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Medyo kumapit sa ratings.
At congratulations nga pala kay Boss Mark, kay Pau, at kay Boss Josephus na Rainugad at ang ating champion si Boss Terrence. And feel free to join our tournament every Thursday. Dito lang yan sa ANS Cafe, BF Homes Paranaque, together with the Bay City Bladers.